Good morning everyone and classmates. My name is Jedson Tricoda. I live in Maladcalapan City, 18 years old, and the perspective I choose is sociology. How society and social structures influence the self. Society and social structures play a major role in shaping who we are. Our behavior, our thoughts, and identities are influenced by how others see us and the roles we play in different social settings. So the two keys in sociological perspective that explains this are Cooley's Looking Glass Self and Irving Goffman dramaturgical approach. Charles introduced the concept of looking glass self, which explains that our self-image developed through our interaction with others. According to this idea, we see ourselves as we think others see us. This process can happen in three steps. We imagine how we appear to others, we imagine how they judge us, and we develop feelings about ourselves based on those judgments. So for example, imagine a student being praised by teachers and classmates for being smart. Over time, they start to see themselves as intelligent and capable. On the other hand, if they are often criticized or ignored, they may begin to feel inadequate. I think both in Cooley's and Goffman shows that our sense of self is not just personal. It is shaped by our interactions and the roles we play in society. We constantly adjust based on feedbacks from others, providing that identity is a social process rather than something fixed.